chopped cabbage, carrot, and capsicum. Small-sized chopped onion. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and chili flakes. 1 tablespoon of ginger powder. 3 tablespoons of vinegar. 3 tablespoons of chili sauce. 1 big-sized tomato and 2 green chilies. Make a smooth paste. Boneless chicken in small pieces. Add water in a pan and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add ghee and macroni as well. Now let it boil on medium flame. Now add 1 cup of oil in it and chopped onion. Sauté onions until it's golden. Now add chicken in it and fry. Like this. Now add chopped carrot in it and let it cook. Now add tomato paste in it. And mix it well. Add capsicum as well. And ginger powder in it. And red chili powder and chili flakes. And salt. Give it a good mix. I don't like soy sauce, but you can add that as well. Cover with lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. Macroni is boiled now. Check this. Remove the excess water. Now add cabbage as well. Like, share, subscribe. Add chili sauce in it. And vinegar. And add chicken powder as well. And mix it properly. And some water in it. Now add boiled macroni in it. And mix, mix, mix. It's almost ready. You can add more veggies as well, but this is enough. Cover with lid for 2 minutes. It's ready. And serve this. Oh wow, it's so delicious. Like, share, subscribe.